Meaning of Forrest Gump.
Forrest Gump.
Forrest Gump.
Forrest Gump.
Forrest Gump. Forrest Gump is a critically acclaimed 1994 American comedy-drama film directed by Robert Zemeckis. The movie tells the story of Forrest Gump, a man with low IQ, who accidentally witnesses and becomes involved in major historic events from the 1950s to the 1980s. Through his journey, he learns valuable lessons about life, love, and friendship and becomes an inspiration to many. The movie was a box office success, garnering multiple Academy Awards and Golden Globe nominations, and remains popular to this day for its heartwarming story and memorable performances.